Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is February 14, 2021. That means it's Valentine's Day today. And yeah, ano bang gagawin? Yung buhok ko guys, ang gulo-gulo sobra. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower and hindi ko pa na brush yung buhok ko kasi ang hirap eh. Kasi I've been here in the house for so long, and normally pag nasa bahay lang ako, hindi ako nagbabrush ng buhok ko guys, kaya ngayon parang namumroblema, but then I'm gonna do it a bit later. So today is Valentine's Day and nasa Denmark tayo as usual. And dito sa Denmark guys, pag Valentine's Day, hindi talaga nila gano'n na sineselebrate yung Valentine's. It's because, as they said, it is an American thing. And of course, Philippines, sineselebrate din natin kasi nga history, American, Philippines, ganyan. Pero dito sa Denmark, hindi talaga nila sineselebrate yun. But now, it's starting. I mean, they're starting to celebrate it, but very slowly. Hindi pa talaga yung ganun talaga na bonggang-bongga. So, anyway, Valentine's Day today, and me and my husband, it was actually really nice because this morning, he made me a nice breakfast. And yeah, it was a nice breakfast because I was telling him I'm craving for a nice sandwich toast, you know, something, a toast with egg in it and all those good stuff. So ginawa niya this morning, and also a really nice coffee. So ito na yung ginawa niya na what is it called?
It's called Valentine's breakfast.
Yeah. This is my coffee, looking so yummy. What is it called?
Valentine's coffee.
And a bit later ay nalabas kami at maglalakad-lakad kami doon sa labas. And yeah, maybe because we cannot actually really eat out because lockdown pa rin dito sa Denmark, and when it's lockdown, it means sarado pa yung mga restaurants. But so that means we're just gonna go out, walk a little bit, and maybe find a food later that we can eat for dinner. And dito ako nakaupo ngayon. As you can see, it's different angle. Dito ako nakaupo sa extra bed namin. Kasi yung apartment namin guys, we only got one bedroom. Tapos, yung old house namin, may 3 kaming bedroom. So, imagine the big difference. The 3 bedrooms and a 1 bedroom na lang. So, dito mismo sa, anong tawag niyan? Dito sa parang living room, dito sa corner, nilagay namin yung beds. Pero, nagagamit lang siya pag andito yung mga anak ni Martin. So, right now, nasa corner lang siya. Ginagawa ko siyang parang my own corner. So, as you know, recently, bakit nagaganon-ganon ba ako? But anyway, you know, recently na bumili ako ng cross-stitch sa Wish. And dito ako nagko-cross-stitch, guys. I'll show you. Ang hirap kasi may ako ba? Naubo naman siya, pero wala yung corona. But anyway, binilhan ako ni Martin ng mic. And this is it. Binilhan niya ako. And pwede siyang ilagay dito, I think. But hindi siya magandang tingnan. Dito sana, pero lang parang... So, I'm just gonna hold on to it and see how it goes later on. Pero, I'll show you yung aking update sa aking cross-stitch. And, paano ba to? Wait, kasi halagay ko lang dyan. Okay ba? Hindi okay. Ay! Okay, lagay kita dyan. Yes, I think it's fine. So, anyway, yung cross-stitch ko, guys, ito na siya. Taran! Pero hindi pa yan tapos. Almost lang. So, kita nyo naman, dito is wala pa. And na-enjoy ko talaga siyang gawin, guys. And there's somebody who was asking, like, why are you buying this? Like, Paris. I mean, you're not in Paris, you're in Denmark, and you're Filipino. And, I mean, what's the connection? Anyway, the main reason is, binili ko tong pattern na to, it's because it was cheap on Wish, and I didn't think about it. It was just, okay, it was cheap, and I needed something to work on right now. So, kaya ko siya binili. And, think about it, sa lugar na ito, hindi pa talaga ako nakapunta, guys. Though I know a lot of Filipinas na nandito sa Denmark na nakapunta na doon kasi easy lang din naman makapunta doon. Pero hindi ko lang talaga siya nilagay sa priority ko na mapuntahan. But then I was thinking, it would be nice to visit that one day. Maybe when it's done, then I can bring it there and I will be standing near the tower and I'll be showing. Right? So, I think that's also a good idea. I mean, I can make use of it. And besides, maganda naman talaga din siya pag matapos na. And, yeah. Ang dami kong sinasabi. So, yun guys, ito pala yung parang lalagyan ng mic. And, I'm so happy with this. And I'm actually really thankful for Martin for buying me all these, technology things na nagagamit ko naman. And ito yung parang mga interest niya talaga, yung mga technology na yan. Those are his interest. Yeah, and alam niyo yung mga bagong ganyan. And ito, it's like, hindi ito ganun kamahal na brand kasi yung mahal na brand talaga is, I cannot pronounce it, it's Roll. Yeah, R something. But anyway, ito, parang ganun din. And marami ding nag-review nito na okay lang din naman siya gamitin. So, yeah, gagamitin ko siya. And right now, I'm using it and I'm attaching it here sa front ko. Hindi nyo kita. So, yun. Ang ng buhok ko talaga Ito talaga yung problema ko kasi hindi talaga ako nag-brush ng buhok when I am just at home. Kaya yung buhok ko parang sobrang tangled na. But anyway, I'm gonna fix it. See you later.